Welcome home, lover.
What's all this?
The gays are out being gay. Your nan is visiting her witch's coven. We have the whole place to ourselves, and I am ready to be taken advantage of.
Oh, babe. I'm knackered.
Tough. Because tonight, you and me are going to make sweet, magical love, and you are going to like it.
I like it.
Yeah. We ain't had a look-in since your nan dumped herself on us.
It puts me off knowing she's in the other room.
It don't put Callum off. Either that or him and Ben have taken up very noisy yoga.
Yeah.
No booze or drugs is one thing, but I ain't giving up sex.
I'm gonna have a shower. I'm gonna wake myself up. I'm gonna slip into something more comfortable. And then I'm gonna remind you why you married me.
You, like what you see?
Not half.
Where do you want me?
Sofa.
Oh, nice.
Non-alcoholic. We need this, don't we? After all the stress. Our Abbey.
Quality time.
Sexy time. I ain't so worried about the quality.
Oh, prepared to be carried off into the arms of ecstasy.
The arms of the underworld, more like. I'm not interrupting anything, am I?
But you were supposed to be out all evening.
Well, Lynette from next door had one of her turns. I borrowed this off her Brian.
Oh.
How long is it since we had a bit of blood and gore, Stuart? Callum would be terrified, but we'd be in our element.